And like the title says, Amazon bearclaw latches, the unboxing. It's for my 54 Chevy. Not using the stock ones. I don't feel like messing with them. I'm gonna be doing shade door handles anyways, which it makes it a bit easier. These were $50 shipped on Amazon for the whole kit. I've already looked through it, so you can already tell by the feeling I was happy with what I found. But show you what's in the kit here. Alright, here's the hardware. Striker pins, has the washers, the hardware to screw the actual latches to the door. Here is one of the latches. Oh, the striker plates. That could have been a little bit tighter fitting. I don't really like how that drops all the way down and you pull it off, because I mean, gotta wiggle it in, but plenty of adjustment as it is. Then here's one of the latches. It has a locking function. I'll probably, leave that out because check door handles. You can see why they call it a bear claw. Instead of one little latch that comes down, it's got two jaws. And these are kind of stiff because they're brand new. Now, how if I unlocked it? Okay. So yeah, there's that. Another one. There's the other reason. It's full kit. These plates aren't the best. Like, they're decent thickness. The angle's not exact left and right, but it's close enough. But the latches seem to fit in there. I will probably be adding plates to the top and bottom out of taper, because I will be kind of extending it out from the door, because the factory 53 or 54 has a striker plate that sticks way out of the door jamb, and I'm going to extend the door to the factory jamb, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Also going to move it down. Let's see, there you go. See, that'll still allow me to use stock weather stripping. I'll probably trim this back just a little bit, both ways. See how much that's going to move it down. That's the stock latch there. Kind of. This is off 53. I'm just keeping the stock ones for now. But yeah, not bad for $50.